Hello, I am Venus from VenusPsychic.com and welcome to my channel. I am going to do my prediction for 2019, 2020, 21. Yeah, let's say 20, until 20. I don't know, I didn't prepare anything, so I just sit there. Usually I will have the countries. I'm not used to prepare things anyway. So this year it will be the year. I know we are in March, but it started already the end of last year. But it will be the year where everything will come out. All the old stories for a long time will come out. For example, Michael Jackson stories. This is a small example. You will have a lot of case going to be in court, going to be retrial. And a lot of people who was innocent will be guilty when they think they will go away with. No. A lot of people who lie a lot in the previous years, it will be a very challenging years for them because things going to come out. It's like all the dirt going to be up. You know when you have dirt hiding the dirt? Hey! It's going to be all out, it's going to smell. I'm telling you, in a lot of country going to smell. While I'm here, there is in Africa, it's going to smell a lot. A lot in Africa. I don't know exactly which country, I think most of the country. A lot of things going to be story. I can't understand all. It's like all countries who malversation, that is in French, so French word. All countries who use Africa is almost like in the wrong way. Oh my God. That's going to come out. It will be like a big shame. A lot of countries in Europe. I'm not African, but I think a lot of Africa will be like African countries and things going to be like we're going to make a revolution, something like this. I don't know. But there is a lot of president in Africa going to all president goodbye. I don't know exactly which country, to be fair. I think it's it's a lot of all country. Let's say all Africa, they're going to poof, how you say that? Oh my God, I don't have words. They're going to be removed. Okay? In France, okay, it's like every Saturday we are on strike. But I think there will be a very challenging time for Macron. Worse than Sarkozy, you know? Like he will have Sarkozy, French President Sarkozy, he had an issue with financement, how we call that in French? When you do for the presidency and you have to have money, but he took money from, they said, he took money from Libya, from Gaddafi, that's why he killed Gaddafi. But Macron will have such stories, almost similar, but there is a lot of under-table money he's doing, and that will come out, therefore, it will come out other previous presidents also. It will be a lot of wow. They will start questioning why people want to be in power. And the people will say, oh, you are in power for your own business. You are not in power for us. So it will be it will be a very challenging time for Macron. I don't know if he will survive of this, but it will be very hard for him. Brexit will happen anyway. It will collapse little bit some market, little bit, but in the long term it will be okay. To be fair, now they make people scared, but it's nothing. It's okay because it just worries that the rest of European want to do the same because no one want to stay in Europe apart Germany because it's beneficial to Germany, we think. Maybe not, maybe I'm wrong, I'm not so good in politics, but I believe that UK going to be good in time, but Europe will start to collapse. This is the thing is really, they will have a lot of problem with the finance in Europe where it's hot, can be Portugal, Spain, Greece, all those parts where it's very hot. They will have issue again, monetary issue, and it's not going to help Europe at all. In America, I think the election will be in the next year. If Trump built his wall as he wanted, he won't be president. He won't be president himself. But if he didn't, he will again, because he didn't finish his job. And he will present himself. If he didn't pass, one of his family will go. But I think it's still a Trump going to present again. And it's a Trump name in any case. I'm not sure. Yeah. He will be with his wall again because as he didn't finish his job for him. And catastrophe, natural catastrophe, water, dirty water, a lot of dirty water, like pollution in water. Yeah, this is water pollution. We're going to hear about a lot of water pollution with product, Monsanto product. It will be even more, but yeah, there will be water pollution with chemical substance. I don't know exactly which country, but there is that coming up in my head. And I don't know. I have to think. I think I will do a second part, maybe next week when I will be concentrate because I'm a bit